I've been stretching my hamstrings all the live long day. Are you dealing with some tight hammies? Been stretching them over and over again with no results? Well, if so, I'm sorry to hear that, but you're in luck because I'm going to show you how to loosen those hamstring muscles with a foam roller. And if you haven't guessed by now, all we need for this is a foam roller. You're going to sit on your butt. Let's go. I'm going to stretch my left side first here. You're going to have the foam roller perpendicular to your thigh, and I'm going to start right in the middle. From here, I lean back on my hands, drive my hands and my foot into the ground to bring myself up. Now I can easily use those supports to generally roll through the muscles. So I like to start just in the middle and globally roll through. If I find a tight spot, I'll hang out there for a little bit longer. But once I feel good there, I'm going to drive my foot into the ground to rotate my body a little bit. So now I'm getting more of that biceps femoris, or that outside hamstring muscle. Most of that muscle bulk is closer to the butt cheek area, so I'm going to roll through. I definitely found a tight spot there. And I'm just going to give it some good old love, just rolling back and forth. Now I feel looser there. Now I'm going to pivot my body a little bit to where now I'm getting more of the inside fibers. You can even get a little bit of your adductor magnus through this area, which also has a hamstring function. But for a lot of people, this spot will be a lot tighter. Again, up by the glutes, kind of roll down. Ooh, there's a spot. Just mini rolls until you feel that sucker starting to loosen up. And then, of course, just go to your other side. Now, me personally, I love the foam roller, but I don't spend a ton of time here. It's only if I have an extreme amount of tension. And I probably don't spend more than a minute or so on each muscle group. But if you got severe tension, you could generally roll through this for a couple minutes. But after a couple minutes, you're not getting much results for the time. So at that point, just begin your workout and start training. So if you have tight hammies, find your foam roller and give this a try. Also, if you're dealing with some tight quads, check out this video and see how I loosen those suckers too.